What are the disadvantages of Acorns? Hook. Have you ever heard of the app Acorns? It's a popular investment app that automatically rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. It's a great way to save money for the future, but there are some disadvantages to using Acorns. Introduction. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the disadvantages of Acorns. We'll discuss the fees, the limited investment options, and the lack of customer support. Body. Fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee of $1 for accounts with balances under $5,000. For accounts with balances over $5,000, the fee is $3 per month. These fees can add up over time, so it's important to factor them into your decision to use Acorns. Limited investment options. Acorns offers a limited selection of investment options. You can choose from a few different ETFs, but you can't customize your portfolio. This means that you may not be able to invest in the assets that are right for you. Lack of customer support. Acorns has a limited customer support team. This can be frustrating if you have questions or problems with your account. Conclusion. Acorns is a great way to save money for the future, but it's important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages before deciding if it's right for you. If you're looking for a low-cost, hands-off investment option, Acorns may be a good choice. However, if you're looking for a more customizable and personalized investment experience, you may want to consider other options. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Acorns, I encourage you to check out their website. You can also find a lot of information about Acorns online by searching for Acorns disadvantages. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance. Additional tips. You can also mention some of the advantages of Acorns in your video, such as its ease of use and its ability to help you save money automatically. You can also provide some tips on how to use Acorns effectively. For example, you can suggest setting a goal for your savings or investing in a different asset class if you're looking for higher returns. You can also compare Acorns to other similar investment apps, such as Robinhood or Wealthfront. By following these tips, you can create an engaging and informative video script about the disadvantages of Acorns. I hope this helps.